Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 4. The organism with spiral chloroplasts and nucleus suspended by cytoplasmic strands is A. Volvox, B. Spirogyra, C. Paramecium, D. Euglena. So you have 4 organisms here, and this given to us here is its physical description. So let's look at the descriptions of each of these organisms and the ones that fit into this description, specifically spiral chloroplast and nucleus suspended by cytoplasmic strands. So Volvox, the Volvox is a free floating freshwater green algae which appears in colonies as green rolling balls on the surface of water. Option B, the Spirogyra, is a filamentous green algae named for its helical or spiral arrangement of chloroplasts. Option C, which is the Paramecium, is a unicellular shoe-shaped organism, and then the Euglena is a unicellular eukaryote possessing a flagellum and exhibits both plant and animal characteristics. So from these descriptions we have given, the Spirogyra, we said it's named because of its spiral arrangement of chloroplasts, and one key feature described in the question is the spiral chloroplasts. Now it's also important to add that the Spirogyra also has its nucleus suspended by strands of cytoplasm, so cytoplasmic strands. So from this, after comparing the definitions, you would agree that option B, Spirogyra, is the organism with spiral chloroplast and nucleus suspended by cytoplasmic strands. Spirogyra is option B and the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.